Potatoes are a kitchen staple, and there are so many delicious ways to enjoy them. Here are 15 amazing potato recipes you need to try. 1. Crispy oven-baked fries, perfectly seasoned and baked to crispy perfection. 2. Loaded baked potatoes, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, packed with your favorite toppings. 3. Creamy mashed potatoes, rich, buttery, and the ultimate comfort food. 4. Potato gratin, thin slices baked with cream and cheese until golden and bubbly. 5. Potato salad, a classic, creamy dish with a tangy twist. 6. Twice-baked potatoes, mashed, mixed with cheese, and baked again for extra flavor. 7. Garlic Parmesan roasted potatoes, bite-sized, roasted with garlic and Parmesan. 8. Potato wedges, thick-cut, seasoned, and perfectly baked. 9. Potato soup, creamy, hearty, and perfect for a cozy meal. 10. Potato pancakes, crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. 11. Hasselback potatoes, a beautiful presentation with buttery, herb-infused slices. 12. Shepherd's pie, ground meat and veggies topped with creamy mashed potatoes. 13. Potato croquettes, fried, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. 14. Potato skins, hollowed out and filled with cheese, bacon, and green onions. 15. Smashed potatoes, boiled, smashed, and roasted for crispy edges. These 15 recipes show just how versatile and delicious potatoes can be. Try them out and discover your new favorite way to enjoy this amazing vegetable.